Welcome to our channel.
Hi friends. Today's word is smooth, quiet, and graceful. Today's word is glide. Can you say it with me? G L I D E. Glide. Meaning, to glide means to move smoothly and gently without stopping or jumping. Here's how we use it in a sentence. The bird glided across the sky without flapping its wings. Fun fact. Ice skaters can glide across ice because it's so slippery. Can you glide? Stretch your arms and move like you're floating through the air. Thanks for gliding through today's word. Keep learning, keep flowing, and keep on gliding.
Thanks for watching.